Hello, I'm Horace Douty, pastor of the Oxford Presbyterian Church near Lexington, Virginia, and every Sunday I do a short nature lesson. It was primarily for the children, but the adults enjoy it even more than the children, I think. Today, I want to call your attention to the stickweed, which is a plant that is very prolific this time of year. You'll see it everywhere, just golden waves of it along the side of the road. This one I picked only a matter of minutes ago, but it's already wilting down. But you can get the idea of what it is. The botanical name is Verbicina occidentalis. Stickweed it's called that primarily because the leaves and foliage die off in the winter, and the stalks stand. They will stand all up to as tall as 8 feet tall. There is not much advantage in growing stickweed, although some people do. The one thing it does is attract soldier beetles, and by golly, here's one on it right now. That is a soldier beetle right there, and it's called soldier beetle because the markings and the color is very much like what British military wore when the beetle was named. Now, the soldier beetle is a good guy. He eats and destroys predators like mites and other harmful insects, just very much like the praying mantis does. They both are attracted to this plant because they know they're going to get a meal of undesirable insects. So the only reason you want this growing is it's hard to get rid of it at that land. Once you have it, you're going to have it for a while. But the only reason you want it is because it will attract the soldier beetles and praying mantis, which will help take care of the insects in your garden. That is the Verbicina occidentalis, and that is your nature lesson for today.